Okay, so I want to show you guys how to use VOILA with FST or any other stretching modality. My stretching modality was AIS, or active isolated stretching. One of the big stretches that we would do would be to cross the other leg over, hold the hip down and see how far they could come out. And that's as far as Jen can come before I hit a hard end feel, right? Ideal should be right here. So she's a good 60 degrees away from where we want her. So once you feel this hard end feel or just doesn't want to go any further, all you have to do is the VOILA assessment. I'm going to give you guys a tip here. I haven't taught this in quite a few classes. A lot of people come to me and they're like, I have a double psoas problem and I can never get it to work. Watch what happens when we do. Can you hold your leg up? She can't hold that up. That's a psoas test. Go ahead and hold this one up. And she can't hold that up either. I showed you that for a reason because that's always an occiput issue. People come to me all the time, oh, I have double psoas and no one can figure it out. All this is your occiput. Shuts off the psoas. Everybody complains and talks about, oh, I got a weak psoas. Bullshit. You got an occiput problem. It's that simple. So now I'm going to go back and retest her lateral line. Can you bring your legs toward me? And that's how you correct flexibility. So that's how, now you can stretch her. Okay? Let's check her psoas strength. Can you hold your leg up? Easy. And let's check her psoas strength. Easy. That's how you use VOILA with other modalities. Just use it to find out what the range of motions are and what their strength is on your assessment. That was one of the most complicated SPJs I've worked with in a long, long time. Thank you.